In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit products in Google Merchant Center, the full 2025 guide. If you're a part of the e-commerce world, this tool might already be a familiar part of your toolkit. However, there have been some recent updates, particularly with Google Merchant Center Next, or MCN, that you should be aware of. MCN is the more streamlined and modern version of its predecessor, designed to simplify tasks for smaller vendors. However, it's important to note that the bulk editing functionalities in MCN are a bit more limited compared to the classic version. This video will focus on the process of editing products manually within the interface, which remains a vital skill as we adapt to the updates. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Merchant Center Next and navigate to the Products section. Once there, you'll be able to see your entire inventory beautifully laid out, waiting for any modifications you might need to make. Now identify the specific product you want to edit and go ahead and click on it. This will open up a detailed view of the product, showing all the current information at a glance. It's a wonderful feature that helps you manage what can often be a long and detailed list of products. After you've clicked on the product, you will see the option to edit product. Selecting this will open up an interactive form where you can begin making the necessary adjustments. This is the heart of editing within MCN, as this is where you can input all the vital information that potential customers will see and use to make purchasing decisions. Now let's talk about the fields you can update. You have the ability to modify key details such as title, description, price, and availability. Take your time with these and ensure that they accurately reflect each product. A polished and precise title can make your product stand out, while a rich description ensures the customer knows exactly what they're purchasing. Price, of course, should always reflect current costs, discounts, or markups. And finally, availability needs to be spot on to avoid any potential sales snafus or customer dissatisfaction. Once you've completed these edits, it's extremely important to click Save. This step finalizes your updates and ensures that your changes are published to the Merchant Center. Missing this step means your hard work will not be visible to your customers, so always make sure this is the last thing you do. So there you have it, each step you need to follow to manually edit products in the Google Merchant Center Next. While the bulk editing options may be limited, manually editing your products allows for a level of detail and precision that's crucial for maximizing your product's appeal. Thanks for watching this guide, and I hope it helps refine your merchandising skills within the Google Merchant Center. Remember, regular updates not only keep your listings accurate but can also enhance your store's professional reputation. Happy editing!